Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make WhatsApp video calls on PC. Now, if you try to use WhatsApp web, which is going to your browser and going to web.com.whatsapp link in your device and getting into WhatsApp, you will find out pretty quickly there is no option to make video calls or voice calls on WhatsApp web. So if you want to make video calls and audio calls on your computer, what you need to do is install the WhatsApp application, and you can do that by going to the Microsoft Store on your Windows. Simply go to Microsoft Store and then search for WhatsApp and just tap on this get or download. Now wait little bit. After it's downloading, just tap on this search button, search for WhatsApp and launch the application. This time we are not using a browser, we are actually using a WhatsApp application. So of course, once you launch the application for the first time, you have to set it up by going to your phone, going to link devices and link a new device. Set it up, and once the application is ready, you can now go to any contact and you will find the option to make video calls and audio calls as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.